Hey everyone, Evan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ROG G703, a powerful new 17-inch laptop from our friends at Asus. This beast has it all. It packs an overclocked GeForce GTX 1080 that can hit 1974 MHz, an i7-7820HK that tops out at 4.3 GHz, 144 Hz G-Sync display, 32 gigs of 2800 MHz RAM, and pretty much every connectivity port you'll need under the sun, including Thunderbolt 3. Asus says the external chassis is inspired by BioArmor. It feels incredibly solid, with a premium brushed metal finish and relatively subtle look compared to some of the more garish gaming laptops. But don't worry, you still get the full Asus Aura RGB keyboard with individually programmable keys that you can configure per game. There's also Asus's anti-dust cooling system, which captures dust, dirt, and particles in 2 dedicated tunnels and ejects them outside the chassis to prevent buildup on the thermal fins. And, in an interesting addition, there's also a dedicated Xbox wireless controller module built into the system, which allows for pairing up to 8 Xbox controllers without all of those annoying USB dongles. So, with an overclocked GeForce GTX 1080 and an i7-7820HK, how does this laptop perform? In a word, stunningly. We ran Destiny 2 at 1080p with every visual setting set to the max and field of view set at 100. On average, we saw between 110 to 130 frames per second, occasionally dipping down to around 100 in heavy action scenes, so the usual stellar performance from the overclocked GeForce GTX 1080 inside. This has been a quick look at the powerful Asus ROG G703. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe for more great GeForce content.